News on NBC6 starts now.
It's an epidemic claiming thousands of lives all across the country, including right here in South Florida.
We're talking about opioids, and today leaders at the state and national level came together to talk about this crisis.
NBC6 political reporter Steve Litz joins us live now in studio with how they're addressing this issue. Steve?
And hi, Keith. Experts insist education and awareness are the best ways to deal with this opioid situation. Authorities are on a campaign to curb it, from elected officials at the local level all the way up to the White House. State senators and other stakeholders gathered today to discuss the situation in Palm Beach County. Officials say 399 people have died from opioid overdoses in that county so far this year. The federal government recently announced it is getting aggressive in enforcement, tracking down physicians and others who illegally prescribe the painkillers. Federal prosecutors will also focus on selected cities with high overdose rates. Earlier today, I interviewed a local psychiatrist, Delvina Thomas. She sees patients who are addicted to opioids. The numbers, she says, are staggering, and she did say that the patients can develop an addiction to opioids at an early age.
It seems like, at least in my experience, oftentimes people who are in their 20s and their 30s, they easily state that, yes, I started with an opiate addiction after getting pills for my family member or after a doctor prescribed them an opiate from some sort of pain that maybe did not require one.
Dr. Thomas there with a message as to how parents need to be aware and how addicts need to get help. The numbers are staggering, not just nationwide, but also locally in Miami-Dade and Broward on the rise. More on this situation and this story coming up at 6. Live in the studio, I'm Steve Litz, NBC6 News.